how you work on a multiple files, how you'll zoom in and zoom out, something I given in the selection tool taking, but still I am giving something. So here you can see all the files are open in multiple tabs. If I'll close this file also, and again if I'll go file open in travel in logos, you can go this. You can open it like this. Sometimes you want to work on multiple files together. So that time you can use window arrange. Then which type of arrangement? I want 2 ups, 3 ups. So what I am going to do, I am going to work on 2 up. So what I want to do here, sorry, first I'll go to work with only one. Okay, so I'm hiding this. I'm moving this tab. Okay, I want to go to remove this logo. So how can I remove that? Just I am selecting here. See. And I am saying remove. Wait, what the magic will happen, you can see that. So the thing is removed. Now I'm taking the logo. What I am saying, remove this logo, then remove background. Otherwise, when you drag and drop this image to another one, okay, this is not removed properly. Okay, we can do one thing. We can use one more tool is here, magic wand tool. Just click it. Still, it is not perfect. What do you need to do? I'm increasing the tolerance to 6. Still, also, it is not that much good, but still, it is okay. What I am going to do is I am here background, I am changed to layer 1. Then I am trying to delete it. So it almost deleted. Control D. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to window arrange. Then I am going to do 2 level up. So I am just selecting this. I am just drag and drop. So now I drag and drop this. So this the what the way we cut the image is not correct. Again, you can come here. Wherever the white is there, you can cut it properly. So that I will teach you later. Now you understood that you can drag and drop like this easily. Then you can select Control T. You can select the selection. Then you can reduce the size. I think I placed in it wrong one. So I want to place it here. Okay. So no problem. You can place it here also. Then I am going to close this. No. Then I am going to Control T. The borders will come. You can see. Okay. It is not correct. I'm placing it here or here. I'll place it here. Okay. So now what you need to do, you can select the zoom tool. You click it here, it is zoom out. When you press Alt, it will convert to you can zoom. It will be zooming like anything. And if you want to control 0, it is comes to the fit on screen. If plus plus I put it, whatever the zooming I done, then if I'll control 0, it will fit. Whatever the big image it is controls. Minus control 1, it is 1%. Then my control 2, sorry, okay. So plus plus also you can increase it, minus minus. The same thing you can use with zoom. And if you want to do the panning, you can move. You have placed this one. You don't know it is perfect. You can go here. You can move it where is the want exact location. You can see that. You can put it. You can clearly see that where it is look like. And you can control D. I am reduced. I cannot increase. I am just now it is for a sake. I am doing that. And you can select the selection tool and move it. You can place it. And you want to see how it is look like immediately. Just click Control 0. And if you want to see this area how it is look like, you just zoom it, Control plus plus, then space bar, then drag. And if you reach, you want to see the full area, minus Control minus minus. So when you are working on that, this is zooming, panning. So when you click, this is Control plus plus, it is zoom. And when you press the spacebar, it will be changed to hand. You can pan it. And you can check very thoroughly how images look like, and control minus minus it will come, so slowly it will come. Immediately you want to see control C, and here also you can move the tabs and you can place it there also. You can move this from this and you can place it back on the, so it is work as a tab also. It will work as a this one also, but you can say tile also. If another one option, I am closing this. If you want to make a collage, what you will do? First you file new. You want a 300 dpi one collage means print. So bigger size, I am saying tableau type of collage you need to make. Okay, tableau type is coming. Then file open. Then what you are going to do? You are going to select the images. So where is images? I am photo introduction and Denmark. I am going to select all these images. So all the images are open one by one by one. But you don't know which image, which place. So that this case is very much window, arrange, type. Now this is your collage one. These are the images here. This is a repeated image. We can right click here, you can close. Now what we can do is select this, select on this one, just drag and drop it. Click on this, then move tool, drag and drop it. Click on this, drag and drop it. Click on this, drag and drop it. Click on this, just drag and drop. Now you can close, you can go here and you can, if you are selecting this image, first you select this, then go, then workspace, then, sorry, arrange, then you consolidate to do all tabs. So now you are reached here. Now what you can do, you can hide all the links. Okay, you can only work this, Control T. Wherever you want to place, you can place it. You know where is the next image, this one. It's come. So Control T. So you are the layer, this layer. So Control T. So I earlier I showcased one way, create a file, put a rulers, then this menu I use file placed. So I am using very easy and simple way. Again, then select that layer, Control T. Then wherever you want, you place this image. This is a way you can easily create your things. So you can just hide again, hide layer, again I am opening it. Control T, then I am selecting. Again, I want to do something here. So this is a way you can create your collage very quickly. Just hide and open it. And you can here, you can replace it. And depends upon that, you can change it one by one. And again, only one more. All the images I opened. So you can increase or decrease this one. So this is a way you can easily create a collage, and you can create a collage. Then once your collage is created, so you can work on the panning. Okay, wherever the spaces is correct or anything, you can zoom in, zoom out, everything you can work. And then you can check where it is exactly if you want to place everything. So this is a way. What sound symbol I control in control plus plus, control minus minus. I am selecting the zoom tool. I am click and drag, zooming in a particular area. I am coming down. I am click and dragging, zoom in and zoom out. Space bar, I am dragging down, panning. So I think I if I want to control zero fit in on the screen, control plus plus. So these are the tools I teach today. Control plus plus zoom in, control minus zoom out, space bar you can panning. You select the zoom tool, control minus 100% preview, control 2 200% preview, control 0 fit on screen, alt zoom, zoom in, and click the image, and using zoom in, image would zoom in and zoom out. The Mac, you need to change only Ctrl to command key, alt to options. Okay, thank you for watching.